Welcome to Columbia Terrace, a new development in West Pasco, Washington.
Hi, I'm Jeff Graff with Century 21 Tri-Cities, representing Pennant Homes out in Columbia Terrace Phase 2. Columbia Terrace is located on the corner of Burns Road and Broadmoor Boulevard, just minutes from Road 68 and about a mile away from freeway access to Richland and Kennewick. We're located next to two brand new schools that are set to be open in 2020, a brand new elementary school as well as a brand new middle school. Here at Pennant Homes, we offer many standards that are typically upgrades. Vaulted ceilings in all of our Rambler floor plans, as well as solid surface countertops throughout, and vinyl plank flooring in all of the high traffic areas. At Pennant Homes, we have an average build time of 120 days from contract, which is great for buyers looking to get into a home quickly. For more information or to set up a showing, contact me or Century 21 Tri-Cities today.
This neighborhood is just minutes away from Road 68, full of restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. Pennant Homes has dozens of new homes available for purchase in this flourishing community. Call Century 21 Tri-Cities today and come see Columbia Terrace for yourself. Century 21 Tri-Cities, changing the way you buy real estate.